Where's Sean? Oh, I know that look. That's the I'm in trouble with my boyfriend look.
Hell yeah!
Oh, we've all been there. Yep. Oh, it's not going well. It is definitely not going well. I've seen this body language before. This is the, oh, sorry, babe. I fucked up. I was just so drunk.
I'm the one who sucks on the fucking nozzle on his hand.
He meant nothing to me.
Raul, I told you, you have to come back.
We just got done tinting this Tesla Model S in Sterlix 20. So I want to show you what this looks like because we don't do 20 too often. 20 is darker than 35 or 30, of course, because of the lower number. So it's a little bit more privacy depending where you live. It may not be legal because it is a little bit on the darker side. But I personally like how the color looks way more than 30. Deep Talks with EVS Motors.
So life throws a bunch of shit at you. And it all depends on how you take it.
Well, I clearly know.
What?
I clearly know how you handle it when life throws you vinyl wraps. You don't fucking do them. That's why this mirror is still half done.
To be determined.
I can make Sean so efficient. I can turn him into a machine.
I'm going dumb. You're gonna tickle his and stuff?
Exactly.
No.
I'm gonna show y'all something.
You when you had hair?
What? Wait, what? Haywood took that to 0 to 100 like real quick.
1981 book, check this out. The Eyes of Darkness.
What am I looking
They called the stuff outside the city of Wuhan man-made microorganism. Check this one out. In around 2020, a severe pneumonia-like illness will spread throughout the globe.
Wait, what the fuck book is this?
Look at this. Eyes of Darkness, published in 1981.
It will suddenly vanish quickly as it arrived and then disappear completely.
It says it'll attack 10 years later. Somebody knows something that we don't.
So it's supposed to attack again in 2030?
Wash your hands, you just touched my phone, coronavirus.
We are done with blocking out the Tesla Model 3, so let me show you what it looks like. I like how this one came out. So as you guys saw earlier, we chrome deleted everything. The mirrors, the window trims, the door handles, the fender badges. Chrome, be gone. And here are the new wheels. Disregard the center cap. I know there isn't one right now, but we're gonna be putting one on. We special ordered the Vossen Sport billet center cap, so that just has to come in. So for now, just pretend like there's one there.
Nice.
Vossen HF-5 and 20-inch staggered front and rear. This is in gloss black, so it works really well with the whole blackout thing we have going on. And it makes the calipers in the back pop out since they're red. It looks super technical, looks really track oriented, if that makes sense. And you just can't go wrong with open 5-spoke wheels. It just makes it look really lightweight. And if you guys want to see, here's the fitment. It's pretty much flush, and the cavity in the rear looks amazing. Here's the front fitment. It's flush as well. And since we did chrome delete on this Model 3, the back logo, as you can see, actually has that aftermarket Tesla badging. However, it's chrome, which now doesn't match the wheels, doesn't match the chrome delete we've done. So we're actually taking it off and putting on some black ones. So now we have the black ones right here. That looks so much better. Before, the chrome made it more of an accent piece, but now with the black, it just looks much more subtle. Are you sick? You sound sick.
Hell no.
Holy crap!
Is this the allergies?
God damn it. The mod is patient 0. Did you bring the Corvette?
Yeah, it's back there.
Ooh.
Wait, what's back there?
The new Corvette. Sean, don't touch it, you're sick. Fancy.
The wing kind of looks, it needs like a bigger one. Doesn't it look kind of like,
It's pretty aggressive for OEM.
get rid of the wing, dude.
The door's so solid. It's heavy.
There's no freaking ghost in these doors, I can tell you that.
Pop, 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 let me close.
The car is ghost proof.
Pop, 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 let me close.
Remember that episode from The Office where Dwight goes to his boss's house? And he's like, so when was this house built? He starts to grabbing everything and starts checking it. That's what this guy does to every single one of my cars. He's like, how is this thing? It's solid. And then he grabs it and starts shaking it.
This is pretty badass,
It's
man.
actually really nice, yeah.
No, this is way better than the C8.
It is, yeah. The interior. Nah.
This was not necessary. This is goofy. Can I start it?
You know how everything is like dedicated towards the driver? I like that a lot.
So the interior is really, really nice.
Oh, cool. Look at that. To the curb.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I like that. That's awesome. Oh my God, that is awesome. This is what Haywood should get. Only 60 grand brand new.
60 grand, plus 50, 11,000, 12,000, plus another million.
Plus $1 million.
I'm gonna put Lambo doors on this thing.
No!
Yeah, I think
That's goofy as
this is
fuck.
the right. Hey, let me show you the engine real quick. Where'd it go?
So clean.
What?
It feels really smooth.
Yeah, transmission is quick. I'm in sport mode and this is so comfortable. I mean, I could drive this every day. I mean, it's still cool. quick. I can't wait for the new Z06. That's gonna be killer. Fit and finish is fantastic. This changes everything.
It's a big statement.
It is a very big statement.
I like that. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Oh, before you go though, I have a video that I made that I think you might like. Here it is right here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Yo, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Don't do it.